Hey everyone, Dr. Charles Livingston here, and with me is my son CJ to help me test this new coffee out. I'm back with another trending coffee drink to test out. It's called Cloud Coffee.
Cloud Coffee.
Cloud Coffee is making waves on TikTok and wellness blogs, and for good reason. It's cool, it's smooth, hydrating, and it's super easy to make. Here's how to make it. You start with a glass of ice, you pour in about half a cup of coconut water, rich in electrolytes like potassium and magnesium. You add a shot of Lifeboost espresso. Our beans are naturally low acid and naturally sweet, so the flavor really pops. Then you top it with a splash of creamy, non-dairy milk, or you can use heavy cream if you choose. I'm talking oat, almond, even macadamia works great. Froth it up for that signature cloud effect and enjoy. The result? A lightly sweet, tropical style iced coffee that boosts hydration and energy without the crash or bitterness. It's perfect for summer mornings, workouts, or any time you want a lighter lift. Ready to do this?
I'm ready.
All right, let's give it a shot. Give it a shot here. Nice.
Yeah, it looks beautiful. You ready?
Yep. Cheers.
Not bad.
Yeah, I definitely do this one again.
Yeah, 100%.
9 out of 10.
I agree. 9 out of 10.
All right, guys, thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.